The AT&T Coverage Map is a visual tool that shows the extent of AT&T's network across the United States. It displays signal strength, data speeds, and available technologies like 4G LTE, 5G sub-6 GHz, and 5G mmWave wave. The map uses color-coded overlays to indicate coverage quality, helping users understand where they can expect reliable service. Users can check availability by entering their zip code to see specific coverage in their area. The map is updated regularly by AT&T with real-time network data, ensuring users have the most current information. This tool helps customers make informed decisions about AT&T's network coverage across the United States. The AT&T Coverage Map uses dBm or decibels relative to milliwatts to show signal strength. Higher dBm values like 9 or 50 dBm indicate excellent coverage for indoor use, while lower values such as 90 or 100 dBmers represent weak outdoor signals. This diagram illustrates how signal strength decreases with distance from the cell tower. Closer to the tower, signals are excellent, becoming poor or non-existent further away. The map also shows estimated download and upload speeds. With 4G LTE, expect up to 100 MHz. 5G sub-6 GHz can reach up to 1 Gbps, while 5G mmWave wave offers the fastest speeds of 1 to 10 Gbps, though over shorter ranges. These technologies operate in different frequency bands. 5G sub-6 GHz covers lower frequencies for broader coverage, while mmWave wave uses higher frequencies for ultra-fast speeds but shorter range. Signal strength meters like this help visualize dBm readings. Values closer to 0 dB indicate stronger signals, essential for understanding coverage quality. AT&T's network relies on three main technologies that work together to provide coverage across different areas and use cases. 4G LTE provides ubiquitous coverage across the United States, offering reliable connectivity in both urban and rural areas. While it delivers slower speeds compared to 5G, typically up to 100 Mbps, it's essential as a fallback network when 5G signals are weak. 5G sub-6 GHz offers a balance of speed and range, providing download speeds up to 1 Gbps while covering larger areas than higher frequency 5G. This makes it suitable for general use in suburban and rural regions, supporting applications like streaming and remote work. 5G mmWave wave delivers ultra-fast speeds, potentially up to 10 Gbps, but has a shorter range and is easily blocked by obstacles. It's ideal for dense urban areas where high bandwidth is needed for activities like virtual reality or large file downloads. As of 2026, AT&T has achieved 99% 5G coverage across the contiguous United States through aggressive expansion, including over 300,000 5G towers and C-band spectrum utilization. This represents a significant leap from previous years. As of March 2026, AT&T claims 99% 5G coverage across the contiguous United States. This impressive expansion is driven by deploying over 300,000 5G towers. The expansion utilizes C-band, which is mid-band spectrum for balanced range and speed, and mmWave wave, high-band spectrum for ultra-fast connections. mmWave wave technology is now available in over 150 major cities, offering incredible speeds up to 10 Gbps for high-performance applications. You can access AT&T's interactive coverage map at att.com/coverage to check specific locations and verify availability. Coverage quality can vary significantly based on terrain features. Hills, mountains, and valleys can block signals, especially for higher frequency bands like mmWave wave, which require direct line of sight. Building materials also play a crucial role. Dense materials such as concrete, metal, and thick glass can absorb or reflect radio waves, weakening signals indoors and in urban environments. Device compatibility is another key factor. Not all smartphones support mmWave wave technology, which offers the fastest speeds but has shorter range. Always check the coverage map for your specific device to ensure compatibility. Finally, AT&T's map highlights 5G plus areas with advanced features like network slicing, which provides dedicated network resources for applications requiring ultra-low latency, such as gaming or autonomous vehicles. By 2026, 5G accounts for 70% of AT&T's data traffic, marking a significant shift in how Americans connect to the internet. AT&T is investing heavily in satellite-backed 5G technology to bridge coverage gaps in rural areas. This initiative aims to achieve 100% U.S. coverage by 2027, connecting even the most remote communities. AT&T has also announced 6G trials, with hypothetical 6G overlays beginning to appear on their coverage maps. This next-generation technology promises even faster speeds and lower latency for future applications. Finally, AT&T plans AI-optimized networks that use artificial intelligence for predictive coverage adjustments, ensuring reliable service even in changing conditions. AT&T's coverage improvements have real-world impacts in various locations. Let's look at 3 examples: New York City, rural Texas, and Detroit. In New York City, AT&T's map shows near-complete mmWave coverage in Manhattan, enabling ultra-fast speeds for AR and VR experiences. This has boosted tourism apps, increasing user engagement during events. In rural West Texas, AT&T deployed C-band 5G, covering 95% of the region. This has improved telemedicine access, leading to a 30% drop in emergency response times for remote farms. In Detroit, AT&T's 5G network supports autonomous buses as part of a smart city pilot. This has led to a 25% reduction in traffic congestion, serving as a model for nationwide initiatives. These examples demonstrate the practical applications and impact of AT&T's coverage improvements across different environments. Expert opinions provide valuable insights into AT&T's coverage map accuracy. Gartner reports that AT&T's 5G coverage map has 99% accuracy in user-reported speeds, making it a reliable benchmark for network transparency. OpenSignal ranks AT&T number 1 in 5G availability, covering 99.2% of the U.S. population with average download speeds of 250 Mbps, showing significant improvement year over year. User satisfaction surveys consistently show high ratings for AT&T's coverage, reflecting positive experiences among subscribers. For the most up-to-date information, always cross-reference with AT&T's official resources and third-party tools to ensure accuracy and relevance.